going on, guys? Today is Friday, November 17, 2023. I am coming to this house. Says no heat on 2 floors. Believes it's thermostat issues. Well, we'll find out about that. Let's check it out, see what it is, and like I said, I hope all is well. Let's see what it is. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
How you doing, my man? I'm Paul. How are you?
Good, how you doing?
Good. What's going on?
Come on in.
What do you have? A couple thermostats you think aren't working?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, well, they're right over here.
All right. Let me put some. So this thermostat is on the same zone as the one downstairs.
Right.
Okay, that's what I had a feeling.
Going on 2 days now with no.
Basically, you had a painter or a wallpaper guy up there.
Yeah.
This is on the same zone. Well, it's the same system.
Right.
2 zones. This one wasn't touched. You didn't do wallpaper here, obviously.
That's
right?
why I was like, something's going on.
Yeah, so it's simple. So they pull this off the wall, right? It needs a common because there's no batteries.
Right.
This is wallpapered. As they're pulling it off the wall, there's a red and a blue, most likely. Let's see.
Yep.
There's a red and there's a blue. Common and power, and I guarantee you when he pulled it off, he or she,
They touch the wires.
by mistake and not knowing, lack of
What in
knowledge.
that trips it?
Yeah, because it's like having 2 high voltage wires and you touch them together, you're gonna
I see.
blow a breaker, right? So
Okay.
the low voltage will do the same thing, but on a low voltage circuit. So down here, because it's zoned to the same furnace, there's a board inside the furnace, which has a little 3 or 5 amp fuse, and it popped.
Got it.
It's not gonna. Based on this furnace, when did you build this house?
This is.
It's a Bryant Carrier.
It's updated last year.
Yeah, I guarantee I would put every dollar that I have in my bank that there's a fuse in here that protects that transformer. I'm not saying it got protected, but I'm saying there's a fuse in here. Because I know these systems pretty well because it's a Carrier.
I've been here for a couple months now. So.
You want to make a bet or no? I'm just kidding. All right. Okay. Let's see what we have. Look at that.
Yep.
That's it. We have a door switch here, so let me get a fuse. Okay, he's just setting the thermostats. Oh, good. I mean, that was, like he was saying, that's why I like to listen to what they have to say because, I mean, we checked the fuse anyway, but it was pretty evident when he said the wallpaper guy took it off. He did some work here. This place just needs to be cleaned. Change the filter. He's got filters over there. Take out the trash. Big LP here. Just left the nozzles. Switch. I'm an asshole. Yeah, so. Yeah, my finger fell off the switch before. Nice blue flame. That's good. Kick our fan on in a couple seconds. And then I'll go get him a filter. Or go over there and grab the filter for him. Zones. This is a little rusty, bro, for 2021, 2022. I put the airflow that way for him because it was backward. He had the filter in backwards. Condensate pump's good. Trap's clear. And I'm gonna run this. Check the thermostats and put a filter in for him. Put the fan back to auto. I think he's got heat. All right, guys, thank you for watching. That was an easy call. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day. Take care.